How to view someone's TikTok profile anonymously. To get started, you first need to make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok on your phone. Then, open up the TikTok application. Once you're on the home page, you can view the contents that are shared by the users. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then, once you're on the profile page, tap onto this footstep icon at the top. After that, you'll see a list of viewers who viewed your profile. Now, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Then, disable the View History option from here. Now, you won't be able to see who viewed your profile. Until this setting is enabled, the person you stalk won't be notified as well about your presence on their profile. After that, tap on Not Now. Get back to your profile. Once you're on this page, go to the Followers section over here. Now, tap into any account you would like to view. You can surf the contents on their profile and they won't be notified about it. As you have disabled the View History setting, neither of you can see who viewed the profiles. So by following these simple steps, you can easily view someone's TikTok profile anonymously,